Why work-life boundaries beat work-life balance every time, especially for manufacturing leaders. Everybody keeps talking about work-life balance like it's the holy grail. Let me be blunt. Balance is a myth. It's a Pinterest fantasy built on pastel colors and zero leadership responsibility. Manufacturing leaders don't get balance. We get boundaries. And boundaries, when set correctly, give you more peace, more focus, and more control than any imaginary perfect equilibrium ever could. The biggest problem isn't that leaders are unbalanced, it's that they're boundaryless. Leaders in manufacturing face constant crisis, 24/7 demands, customers who want it yesterday, teams needing decisions, phones buzzing from sunup to midnight, and KPIs breathing down your neck. Most leaders aren't struggling with balance. They're drowning from not defining when they're working and when they're living. Here's an additional challenge. Manufacturing never sleeps. The plant doesn't care that it's your anniversary dinner. The customer doesn't care that your kid has a recital. And so leaders tell themselves, I'll find balance later. But later never shows up. So here's how you know that lack of boundaries is running the show. You're always on. You respond instantly out of fear, not priority. Family time gets interrupted. Work time gets sidetracked. You feel guilty no matter where you are. You're mentally present in neither place, and exhaustion becomes your default setting. So, what's the number one symptom? Chronic, low grade stress that never fully shuts off. It's like a humming machine in the background. You get used to the noise, but it's still grinding you down. So, most people go after the poster child solution. They strive for work life balance. They set goals like, I'll stop working after 5. I'll take Fridays off. Or I'll unplug at night. Or I'll keep the weekends sacred. All good intentions, but all are doomed. Some others may try time blocking, and it works until the plant catches fire. Self care apps. The meditation notification arrives right when a supplier fails. Delegation, which turns into micromanaging via text at 10:30 p.m. Vacation, where they take their laptop because, well, just in case. Balance sounds beautiful on paper, but paper burns. Work-life balance fails for 3 reasons. Reason number 1, balance assumes an equal weight. Work and life are not 50-50. Some weeks, work needs 90%. Some weeks, the family needs 110. Trying to split evenly creates guilt and pressure, not peace. Reason number 2, balance assumes predictability. Manufacturing is not predictable. A line goes down. A shipment gets rejected. Quality flags a defect. Weather shuts down logistics. And suddenly, the scale is thrown off. Reason number 3, balance is passive. Balance requires things to stay stable. Boundaries, however, make decisions for you. Balance says, I hope this week is calm enough to give me time. Boundaries say, here's how I operate. Everything else adapts around it. Here's an example. No calls during dinner unless the plant is literally on fire. Simple, enforceable, zero guilt on either side. Here's a quick short story. When the tornado hit our Dimension plant, I wasn't going to go ahead and split my time 50-50 between the plant and personal time. That wasn't possible. I was giving 110, 120% to the plant because that's what needed it. Those 200 people that did not have a way to make money because the plant was literally gone needed 100% of my time. So in that case, trying to create a balance, trying to artificially pursue a balance would have been crazy. What did I do? I adjusted. I adjusted and set my boundaries. My boundaries were going to be focused around work for a period of time. So a boundary protects what balance exposes. Define one non-negotiable boundary that protects your life and supports your leadership. Let's start with something simple but powerful. Here's some example boundaries for manufacturing leaders. From 5:30 to 7 p.m., I am unavailable. That's family time. Or how about no work text after 8 p.m. unless it's a true emergency? Or lunch is not a meeting, it's a reset. Another might be Saturdays are for personal time unless we're in crisis mode. And finally, another example, if I'm at work, I'm fully at work. If I'm home, I'm fully home. And then communicate it. People respect what you enforce. So enforce it consistently. You don't need anger. You just need repetition. Reassess quarterly. Life shifts. Leadership shifts. Your boundaries should evolve with both. Here's the punchline. You don't need balance. You need commitments. Manufacturing leaders run on clarity, expectations, and standards. Apply the same discipline to your personal life, and everything strengthens. Your team, your focus, your energy, and your family relationships. At the end of the day, work-life balance is a trap. It sets you up to chase a finish line that keeps moving. But work-life boundaries, those give you control. Boundaries help you perform better at work and at home. They protect the people who matter, the mission you're responsible for. So stop chasing balance. Build boundaries, because great manufacturing leaders don't react. They set expectations, they define the rules, and they lead by example.